If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. So I recently seen a video from a YouTuber talking about how you can get paid for watching TikTok videos. Not only can you get paid for watching TikTok videos, you can get up to $120 per TikTok video that you watch. Now, is this real? Is this a real possibility? And here's what I think about that video. Now, I've actually done another video talking about a very similar technique, and I pretty much got the same damn opinion. All right, so in the video, this YouTuber talks about how you can make all this money simply by watching TikTok videos. And first of all, I hate when people do these videos and they say watching, get paid for watching YouTube shorts or watching TikTok videos, because it's very, very misleading. But I'll get to that in a second. So anyway, the technique is you basically find popular TikTok videos, all right? Videos that are going viral on TikTok. And so you check them out, you do a little research, you're like, oh, damn, this video got 2 million views or whatever. So you actually take that video, you get the TikTok link, and you take it to a website called shrinkme.io. All right. So once you get this, you get the TikTok link, you take it over to shrinkme.io. You got to create an account over there, and you take that video link, you put it inside the website, and then it turns into a little link. Now this link is a shrinkme.io link. Now in the video he says, all right, once you get your link, you go over to Pinterest. All right, you create a Pinterest account and you create a pin, right? And what you need to do is create a little image about that TikTok video, right? So you get to go to Canva or PicMonkey or wherever. You create an image, all right, to put on Pinterest, right? And then you put that shrinkme.io link and at the bottom of your Pinterest post, right, where you can place a link. Now the idea is every time somebody clicks that shrinkme.io link, they actually make money, right? Because that's what shrinkme.io is. It's a platform where you shrink links and you get paid when people click on them links. But here's the thing. For you to actually make money from shrinkme.io, a person has to click on that link and then actually go through a couple steps for you to actually earn money, and before that person can actually watch the TikTok video that you got, you know what I'm saying, that you're trying to show. So that's the idea. And it's very similar to another one where somebody was talking about doing this with YouTube shorts, and it's just not realistic, right? Like, I highly doubt people are making $120 per video or even $10 per video doing this. Why? Because who in the hell is gonna click on a Pinterest post, right, to watch this video, but then as soon as they see like, oh, you got to watch an ad, you got to click on 2 ads, or you got to follow all these steps, if they're not directly taken to the video that they want to click on, they're going to be like, I'm getting the hell out of here. Like, I ain't doing this, right? So you got to ask yourself, how many people are actually going to go through those steps just to watch a video that they probably could watch on TikTok, or they could watch on YouTube Shorts or even Facebook Reels? People are not going to jump through all these hoops to watch a 10-second video, right? So in the video, the guy was saying like, oh yeah, all you got to do is just, create like 5, 10 of these TikTok videos a day and you'll be balling. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing this because, like, listen, the effort that you got to take, right? It's not a lot of effort, but like for you to do the research of finding viral TikTok videos, you got to do that. You got to create your Shrink Me account, right? You got to put the link in, but then you got to create an image for Pinterest, got to post that image, and then you got to, make the post, whatever. And then you got to hope. That's the thing. You got to hope that Pinterest gets you traffic, right? Because if you do all this and then just say that post only got you 1,000 views. So out of that 1,000 views of your pin, let's just say 100 people actually click on the link, right? Now out of that 100 people, I'd be surprised if 2 of them actually will go through the steps of shrinkme.io just to watch that video, right? Now, that's based off of like 1,000 people. For you to actually even make it worth it, like for real, each Pinterest need to be getting 100,000 views. You know what I'm saying? Like for it to even be any potential. Now you even know how hard it is for you to be getting consistent 100,000 views to a Pinterest post. Ask yourself, how hard would that be? You know what I'm saying? Like, and then the fact that most people are not going to click on your shrinkme.io link. And even if they do, think about this. For you to make any real money on shrinkme.io, it's something like 1,000, depending on what country you in, right? But something like per 1,000 views. Like if you're in the United States, you might get like $7 or $5, something like that. For 1,000 legit clicks. Think about that. You need 1,000 legit clicks. You need 1,000 people to go through that process of looking at all these ads for you to just get $7. So do that sound like it's even remotely worth your time at all? Did that sound like something that could make you $1,000 a month? Hell no. All right. And another thing, that's what really annoys me about these videos. And I get it, you know, the clickbait YouTube factor. Okay, I get it. But quit saying get paid to watch TikTok videos or get paid to watch YouTube videos, because people really think like they can, you know, sit there all day, watch TikTok for hours, and then check their PayPal account and be like, oh shit, I just made $35 today. Dope. That's not how it works. You know what I'm saying? That's not, you know. Now there are sites out there where you can get paid for watching like short ads. That's real. They're out there, but guess what? You literally get like 1 cent per ad. But that's a whole nother video. All right. Bottom line is, like, this method is trash. I hope you don't try it. It'll be a complete waste of time. You would actually be better off, you know, being an affiliate marketer and just creating TikToks and YouTube shorts and just pointing people to your affiliate link. You'd be better off doing that, way better doing that than this trash ass method. Now, if you want to check out what I'm doing to make money online, check out that first link in the description.